Today is Zandalu's birthday, so we woke up at 2 in the morning. We drove 2.5 hours out to Moraine Lake to catch sunrise.
Now we're at Lake Louise because something I've always wanted to do is the tea house hike, and I decided for my 25th birthday, why not? So let's get going.
Do you regret doing this yet?
No, it's not so bad. Doing all right. We decided to take a little break and we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, so we're gonna keep going. That's pretty cool. I can't believe I've never been here. We made it up to the tea house. I got a lemonade, and David's making himself a little coffee, and we packed some homemade energy bites and have a little snack. I can't believe I've never been here before. It's so beautiful. We made it back down. How long did it take us? An hour and a half round trip. It was very cute up there, but my knees hurt now. How about you?
Yeah, that backpack was heavy. That was a longer hike than I remember, but it was pretty good. Like, I would do it again. Maybe not tomorrow, but...
No, but I'd come back. I've been to Lake Louise many a time and I still cannot get over how blue the water is. One of my favorite things I've ever done is have high tea, and so I thought for my 25th birthday, since I didn't get to go to Bali, I may as well come to Banff and have some high tea.
So what'd you get?
Everything savory is kind of on the bottom, everything sweet is on the top, and some scones, my favorite. What'd you get?
Lettuce wraps.
We made it back from Banff, and I am one tired little birthday girl. Apparently my eyes don't even stay open now. So, gonna have a nap and finish off the day with a movie on the couch. Happy birthday to you.
You're gonna light me on fire.
Do you have... Birthday boy's one request was a free Denny's breakfast. How cute. He's been adulting all morning. He did some work and he worked out like a true adult. But I'm being a good wifey today and I'm driving.
The syrup goes over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some more. Well, that was an interesting birthday surprise. We came home and we're pretty sure there was a bird in the bathroom. Something in the bathroom.
I think there's a bird in the bathroom.
Oh no! This is why we can't leave the bathroom window open.
Do you see him?
No. But he got out before we saw him, thank goodness. I hate birds. I see. That's kind of the end of your birthday celebration because you were gonna go work.
Yeah.
Aw, sad. So continues one of the craziest weeks of our lives because today we got the keys to our first purchase, our first home ever. This is our condo. You come in the front door and there's a coat closet and the master bedroom. We're gonna try and change this to a white one. Lots of room for activities. We've got this cute little vintagey bathroom. Love it. First time having in-suite laundry in the whole time we've been married. And then the main living area and the kitchen We got a lovely gift from our realtor, Simi. She was amazing. If you're looking for a realtor, Chamberlain Group, ask for Simi. She was so patient with us. We love her. And then we've got a den slash second bedroom kind of deal. So still lots of space, a little bit smaller than what we had, but we own it. I forgot to end the vlog. It has been a few months since all of that footage was taken. We're in our new house. There's still boxes everywhere, but thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.